In 2026, manufacturing isn't just about raw materials and machinery. It's about the flow of information. But for most producers, that flow is blocked by legacy silos, paper-based tracking, and reactive supply chain disruptions. When a single late shipment or a machinery failure can derail an entire production cycle, you can't afford to wait for weekly reports. Manual handoffs between procurement, production, and logistics are the hidden costs slowing down your throughput and eating your margins. User-Ready and Elementum.ai are here to redesign the industrial value chain. We bridge the gap between your physical operations and digital intelligence, turning your data into a self-correcting, autonomous workforce. It begins with discovery. User-Ready maps your shop floor processes to find the bottlenecks you didn't know you had. Then, using Elementum's low-code platform, we automate, from intelligent maintenance alerts to automated invoice approvals. We integrate real-time IoT and ERP data without the need for massive migration, and govern every step with end-to-end visibility and safety compliance. Imagine a factory that predicts equipment failure before it happens, automatically ordering the spare part and rerouting production. Imagine a supply chain that auto-validates quality metrics across every tier of your supplier network. With User-Ready's analytics expertise and Elementum's orchestration, you aren't just managing a factory, you are leading an intelligent enterprise. This isn't about replacing the worker on the line. It's about empowering them with the insights they need to do their best work. We remove the operational noise so your team can focus on innovation and quality. The next era of industry is here, built on data, driven by AI, and designed for results. Build your future with User-Ready and Elementum.ai.